Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are learning quadratic formula. If our quadratic equation is like ax square plus bx plus c, our equation is of this type, then the formula for this equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. This is a quadratic formula. This we have to learn while using the question. Like one question is given to us and we will solve that question with quadratic formula. Your equation is 3x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. And first of all, we will compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and we will find the value of a, b, c from here. Like our a is 3, b is 4 and c is minus 5, and after that we will write a formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now put the value in the formula. Minus 4 plus minus square root is b square is 4 square minus 4, a is 3 and c is minus 5 over 2a. Our a is 3, so it's minus 4, take square root of 4, it's 16, and negative cancels, so it will make 4 into 3 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60. So this is 60 and 2 into 3 is 6. After that, what we will do, we solve first this under root. 16 plus 60 is 76 upon 6. Now we will solve this under root for 76. How we can solve? We can solve by taking the square root of this 76. I'll explain you how you have to solve this. 76, we will see on which table it will come. It's 2 is 38. After that 2 is 19. Now 19 is prime number. So what is the under root for 76 is? It's 2 root under root 19. So we will write over here, it's 2 root 19 over 6. Now we can take 2 common from here. Like if I take 2 common from here, it's minus 2. This is plus minus root 19 over 6. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So we are left with minus 2 plus minus root 19 over 3. So our answer is minus 2 plus 19 over root 2 over 3 minus 2 minus 19 over root 3. You can write in both ways. Either you can leave it till over here or you can write in two ways. This is our answer. Now we have one more question. Sometimes direct quadratic equation is not given to you. Sometimes question comes in this way, like we have 2x minus 3 whole square is equal to 8. First of all, we have to make the quadratic equation of this question. How we can, either you can apply identity over here, it's a minus b whole square, or you can open bracket 2 times a minus b whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Like our, this is 2x minus 3 square, so 2x square plus 3 square minus 2x into 3, so this gives us 4x square plus 9 minus 12x. Either we can solve in this way, 2x in minus 3, 2x minus 3, and we will multiply this with 2x into 2x, it will give us 4x square. We multiply this with this with this, after that this and this, so it gives us 4x square minus 2x into 3 is 6 into 6, and 3 into 3 is plus 9 is equal to 8. So 4x square, sorry, it's x minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 8. Now what we have to do, we have to make quadratic equation. We just take this 8 to left hand side, and this is equal to 0. 4x square minus 12x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. We compare this equation with quadratic formula. This is ax square plus bx square plus c is equal to 0. Now we will write the value of a is 4, b is minus 12, c is 1. We'll apply formula for it's minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac over 2a. Now we will put the value. b is minus 12 plus minus, it's minus 12 square minus what is 4 is, what is a, it's 4, and c is 1 over 2a. What is our a? A is 4. And now we will do calculation. We know minus minus when cancel, it will become positive, so we are left with positive 12, and square of any negative number is positive, so minus 12 square is 144, minus 4 4 16, 16 into 1 is 16, and 2 into 4 is 8. After this we will solve this. Square root of 144 minus 16, 144 minus 16 is 128. Again we will solve the square root of 128. I'll show you how you will solve this. Like we have this 264, 232, 216, 218, 2 4, 2 2, and it's 2 1. Now we see how many pairs are there. 1 2 3, so 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, and this is unpaired, so we are left with 8 under root 2. Now we'll put over here. So this is 12 plus minus 8 root 2 over 8. So from here we can take 4 common. We are left with 3 plus minus 2 root 2 over 8. So after that we know 4 and 8 cancels with each other. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. So we are left with 3 plus minus 2 root 2 over 2. And 3 plus 2 root 2 over 2, 3 minus 2 root over 2, this is our answer. Thanks for watching the video. Please get in touch if you need any help. Do like and subscribe it, please.